Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today's video we will talk about why should you not buy Innova Crysta. Why to ignore Innova Crysta in 2021. So I've made a video on why should you prefer Innova Crysta in 2021. If you haven't seen that video, please check out. And today we will talk about why to ignore Innova Crysta in 2021. So first thing is इसका price. So this car price is top model cost 21 lakhs on road and its rivals price. If you pay 1 lakh extra, you will get the top models. Example जैसे कि Hyundai Alcazar, Tata Safari, MG Hector and Mahindra XUV500. So first is the price that you're getting the same price you're getting the top model of the car. So second thing, their features, like the exterior looks premium like of Hyundai Alcazar. The headlights are same like Hyundai Creta, trio beam lights, but grille and like Tata Safari, projector beams, DRLs that look premium. But in this you get halogen, and everything you got in halogen in Innova Crysta. So in other cars you got LED. And Innova Crysta got halogen. And you don't get even the fog lights in Innova. And from this side also, it is very simple, basic. You can see it's really basic. Not feeling premium compared to its rivals. From the back, it has the same look since 2016. No changes were made, but in the base model only change that there was also made that there was no defogger now. So in other cars you got LED lights and many things, and you get halogen in Innova. Thing that I really love is this diamond cut alloys from side. In other cars you got keyless entry, and when you will open it, your rim will fold and unfold. But in this you have to do it manually. Manually means को बटन मिलता है but अपने आप नहीं होता. And in Innova Crysta you have not a button here. There was no record sensor outside, no button here. You have this basic flip key. And compared to Hyundai Alcazar or any other car, you get too much of vibrations. I think you can see it. Only in the gear lever you get the vibrations, and you got this manual AC vents. I mean 21 lakhs you're paying, still you got this manual once. And you don't get any LED lights here, just simple halogen. And I mean this is fine. I mean I was talking about this. But you can open them with lock or unlock. And in the cars you got cruise control, and it doesn't get any button, you don't get any display, I mean bigger MID. So in that cars you got this touch screen, 10.25 inches. I mean many big screens you don't get in Innova. I mean they have added Apple CarPlay. No, I mean there are many big screens, 360-degree parking cameras missing in it. I mean, you don't get even 6 gears in it. Simple interior. I mean, no sunroof in that car. So, features this car is really behind, but power, we will talk about Tata Safari's horsepower is more. But when you feel to drive, fun to drive, this Innova is. This car is very fun to drive with Toyota badge others. But I mean if you want features, I mean 4 people in, you want to सिर्फ 4 बंदों को बिठाना चाहते हो अपनी कार में, तो I don't think आपको Innova Crysta लेनी चाहिए. यहाँ को 5 को भी बिठाना है, कैप्टन सीट चाहिए, तो you should not buy Innova Crysta. अगर आप पूरे फैमिली वाले, आपकी फैमिली है 6-7 जनों की, 6-7 persons की आपकी फैमिली है, then should you buy Innova Crysta. If your family is just about 4-5 members, I mean, Innova Crysta is the roots product ever for you made. So it's a family car, not for 4-5. I mean, big family car, not for the small family. I mean, you can go with, if you want a big car, you can go with Alcazar or Safari or any other which you like. But I would suggest you don't buy Innova Crysta. Do not buy Innova Crysta if your just family is 4-5 members, because this car doesn't suit you. It suits the who have bigger families and those who have bigger families, 6-7 people want to be sitting in the car. And if your family is 4-5 members, then you can get features in others. So I think if your proper family, your family is big, then you should buy Innova. If your family is not big, and then you should go with Alcazar or any other car, Alcazar Safari, but do not prefer Innova Crysta. So one loose thing in it, that you have to fold the OVMs with the button. I mean, if they could be with lock or unlock, that would be fine, but the Toyota cars aren't made for features. It is made for comfort, reliability. If your family is small, then go with other cars. If your family is big, then nothing is better than Toyota, Innova. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much.